So, welcome to this rather biblical talk. Let me give you some more context to the title. This is specifically for building a monetizable product with a startup ethos. What I mean by that is working or building a product where you are probably a step or two mistakes away from failure, right? You've got to get it right. Some of the commandments will apply if you're trying to build a demo or if you're a part of a large research lab, not necessarily building a monetizable product, but really keep that two words in mind, monetizable product. What does it take to build a Vision AI monetizable product? Now, in the last decade, there have been tremendous advances in both compute and sensors. For instance, AI compute has increased in efficiency by 80x. So if you look at the performance per watt per area or millimeter square of the chip, this has increased by 80 times in just a decade. Additionally, we've had a tremendous plethora of sensors targeting every wavelength, every part of the electromagnetic spectrum, right from nanometers all the way to millimeter wave. You have SPAD sensors coming up that can sense each photon. They can count how many photons are hitting that image sensing area. We have event sensors. 3D LiDARs have become commercialized and widely available. Long-wave IR and millimeter wave radar, right, at high frequencies. So tremendous advances, and the combination of these sensors and compute, we are ushering in a new era of perception. Right? And I use that word perception. We are moving from sensing into perception, understanding the world around us.